Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be seeing what offers I can get for my rideable parrot. This person offered a rideable griffin. I was like, no thank you. I was just waiting to see if they would add anything else, and they didn't. Sorry about those Snapchats, but I declined. Then we had another trade request, and by the way guys, I traded 3 fly ride legendaries and 4 ultra rare pets for this, so I'm looking for a lot of stuff. This girl added a legendary staff for the king monkey, but it was only 1 and no thanks. So then I added it again, and they added a octopus plush, which is like a marshmallow plush I think, and then a rideable ultra rare zombie buffalo. I was seeing if she was going to add any more, and she didn't, so I declined and waited for the next trade. No one was trading me, so I was just flying about. Sorry guys, I had to check if it was still recording because my phone does that sometimes. She said trading legendary staff for the monkeys. And I was like, I have 10 monkeys I think I have, guys. So I was like, I could trade her 4 monkeys for it because that's what I thought she said. So I traded it and I put 4 monkeys in. She declined, so I was just waiting for more trades, and no one was trading me. So I traded this girl because she had a legendary, so maybe she would like have some good stuff that she could offer for it. She accepted, so I put my parrot, and then she wasn't putting anything, and she put a rideable kangaroo, and then declined. So I was just walking around, and then I left this and joined a new server because that server wasn't giving me any luck. So I was looking through the servers, and if you haven't added me, my name's ChloeX19X, so make sure you add me so we can like play a game together. So I was just looking for a server that wasn't full, so I joined this one, and I hoped it would do me good. And I was like, is it going to load, please? It wasn't loading. It was taking ages. Jesus, this is long. Sorry, guys. Literally. I'm so sorry, guys. It's just the Wi-Fi is so bad that it took so long to load. But it did eventually, I promise. I was just making sure it was filming and seeing if I was using the Wi-Fi. Then it finally started to load. I was like, yay. Like, finally. So now I just logged in, and then I teleported to get straight away. It took quite a while as well because obviously the internet. And then I was like, ooh, that girl has a parrot. So I went into my pets and I got my parrot out and I got on it. And then I got my first trade, so I put my parrot in. This girl already had a fly ride one, so for the like fly part of it I added a bumblebee, a ginger cat and a frog, and then she added some legendaries, and I was like, she's not going to do this, but then she took the parrot away and then put them, and then I was like, no thanks, I don't want that, so I declined. And then I got my next trade and I put my parrot back in. They put a rideable, they put 4 pandas, which one was rideable. Have a rideable panda. I was like, no thank you. Then I had my next trade, which is actually a fan, Lightning Boy. He added a unicorn, but I remembered he wanted the unicorn for my rideable meerkat, so I put that. Comment if this was a good trade. I think it was, because it's a legendary, and mine was an uncommon or common, and they were from like, they are not in the game anymore, but I just thought this was a good trade, so I accepted. And yeah, we did that trade. So any offers for the unicorn or my rideable parrot, please comment. But I want like a really, really good offer for my parrot since I traded a lot for it. He said, you have my dream pet. I was like, oh. And we got this trade request. So I put my parrot and they put, sorry guys, that was my cousin. They put 3 ninja monkeys. I was like, why would I accept this? Because I know they're legendary, but what are you gonna do with 3 ninja monkeys? Like, you need 4. Do you get me, guys? So I was like, oh my god, this girl has a fly-eyed, well, an owl. So I traded her, hope she would accept. Because it's one of my dream pets. My dream pet is a giraffe. My second one is a owl. I was like, is she gonna accept? And I put my parrot, she put her fly-eyed owl. I was like, oh my god, please accept. Sorry guys. I was like, oh my god, please. And then she declined. So that was great. And then I was just looking around for some more trades, seeing if anyone else would trade me. So this person said, can you fail trade your parrot to me? I was like, he said he won't scam. I said no, because like, obviously they can just give the thing back to me and then it would process the trade. Sorry guys. This girl said that's what scammers say, so thank you so much to her for letting me know and stuff. I went over there. And then I was looking for more trades. I was just flying about on it. Well, I wasn't actually flying, I was riding it. I actually make sure that it was still filming, guys. Sorry about that. I don't know why I did this. I was just looking at the pet they have, and then I left the game. And then I joined a new server. Because this server was not doing me any luck. So I joined a new one. Sorry guys, I don't have corona, it's just I have a tickly throat. This one actually loaded way faster than the other one, so I was like, yay. And I was praying that this was like a good server, not like a rich server, but like a decent server. It was loading for quite a while, and then I finally got in. So then I teleported straight to gifts. This looked like a decent server, so I grabbed my parrot out and waited for some trades. So I ended up changing the name. I kept it to tropical, but then I put like a slash. I don't know why I did this. I put a slash and then I put trading in capital letters so people would know that I'm trading it. Oh, and I got this trade request. So I put in my rideable parrot. I can't wait to make it viable. They put a rideable golden penguin, a fireball Dalmatian dog, a ninja monkey, and a legendary bathtub. I was like, oh my god, I really want this bathtub. But I was like, no thanks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe and like. Bye.